So this is the Logitech LP30 polisher. Has a lid here to access, lift up, it slides on the roller bearings. You can either have a partial or all the way open. You have your abrasive slurry tank here. It spins, and this part here opens and closes and drips down, comes down the wire, and then you aim the wire where you need it to be to drip the slurry polish onto the surface that you're working on. On the right hand side here you have your vacuum and auto feed. This is for the vacuum power. There is a power outlet on the right hand side of the machine. You may or may not use that. You can use, like I'm just using a little vacuum which is hooked up now. It doesn't have the capability to go down the pump that I have, but you can see the vacuum is hooked up. And if you wanted to, this is the drain switch off vacuum. This is the inlet, and you can see the vacuum is gone. Close it off, and the vacuum comes back up. On the front panel controls, and these are your three vacuum connections for heads if you needed them. Front panel, you have your timer, start and stop. The main power is on the rear. RPM indicator, speed adjustment knob, and your slurry waste tank is in here. Main power fuse is here. Power indication light here. Your tank, when it goes empty, will kick off this. It works on a counterbalance, and you can see if I lift it, that comes on. Same thing, stay there, stay there. When this gets full, it'll weigh down, and also when either one of those happen, it will shut off the thing so that nothing damage takes place to anything. So to turn it on, you have to put your timer to something that you would want it to set at. Hit the red button. Make sure these are out. Hit the green button. It should stay depressed. If there is an indication that something is wrong, for instance at this, as you can see, it shuts off the machine. Your auto feed is for this tank. As you can see, it's spinning. If you want to turn it off, you just hit the switch here. Always start from zero. And once you have everything going the way you want it to, you can increase the speed of the platter. Platter goes up to 70 RPM. This is a stationary mount, and as you can see, this one is an oscillating mount, and that's adjustable as per the instructions as to how far, etc. Once the time has elapsed, this would count down, and it will shut off once the timing is completed. Or you can hit the stop at any time. Always remember, return your dial to zero. You can walk around. I'll show you the connections here. And here's the side. This is your quick connect for your vacuum. It does not come with the vacuum. This pump is ours. This is the connection for power and the fuse. I've put I believe an 8 amp fuse in here. But you may have to change that depending upon the demands of the vacuum pump that you put on if you use the vacuum. Exhaust fan here, and power on and off here.